Hello traders and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Antonio. Most of you might know me on Instagram as Ants Analysis. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a secret to how I set my take profit levels and also manage my position so I'm maximizing on the trade as much as possible. Before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more content. And if you want to join my VIP trading group, where I go live 3 times a week, just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get straight into it. Right guys, so to start with, I'm just going to show you a really simple visual representation of how I look to trade. So it makes more sense when I'm talking about the take profit levels and stuff like that. So when I look for a trade, I'm looking for an initial impulsive move, which will give me my confirmation whether I'm looking for a buy or a sell. So if there's a bullish impulsive move, I'm looking for a buy position. I will then be looking for a bearish correction to the downside, and then after this bearish correction is when I'm looking to enter a buy position to catch that bullish continuation move, okay? And this is the move I'm trying to catch. And what we're going to be talking about is how do I set my take profit level when I'm looking to catch this bullish continuation. And it's a really simple way that I do it, which has made a lot of sense for me over the last couple years. And the way I do it is by measuring the initial impulsive phase that we have, okay? So I measure the initial impulsive phase like this, and then I use this as a tool for the end of the correction to then use to set my take profit level. So I will copy this and paste it, and I will drag it to the start of the bullish continuation, and at the top of this would be where I would set my take profit level, okay? Really simple stuff, and I'll show you some live chart examples to show you that it does actually work. So that's really simple when it comes to setting my take profit level. But now, how am I actually managing my trade? So let's say I am entering a buy position at the bottom of this bearish correction, and I set my take profit level for up here. That's my take profit level. How am I actually managing this position? So I set my my entry here. When I move my stop loss to break even is when structure is broken, okay? So when the next lower high point here has been broken, okay, that is when I will set my stop loss to break even once this high point has been taken out, okay? Once that move has been taken, that's when I will set my stop loss to break even, because technically we've broken structure now. The probability is now in our favor that price should continue. Then when I'm trailing my stop loss, I'm looking for price to form structure, okay? I'm looking for a higher low to form. And then when this higher low is confirmed by a break to the upside, okay, we've now broken this level here. This level has been broken. I then trail my stop loss below the new low point, okay? That is where I will set my stop loss. And then simply, as price just continues to form structure and continue to break like so, I am just trailing my stop loss with structure in case it breaks, okay? My stop loss will be below here, and then below here, so on and so forth until my take profit level has been reached. This way, I'm maximizing on my trade as much as possible, just in case price was to reverse. And if price was to reverse, we're technically now in bearish market structure, and we don't want to be in the trade no more. And we do not want to risk price pulling back all the way to either our break-even level or our stop loss level. So that is the way I will manage my trade to basically maximize on profit as much as possible, whilst also limiting the risk that we have as well. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into some live chart examples to show you how the take profit method works, and also the managing the trade position as well. Right guys, so to start with, we're going to look at the take profit level. So here we are on Euro JPY on the 1 hour time frame. Now guys, this will work on all time frames, all currency pairs, and just go look at the charts, do some back testing and see how it works, and you'll be surprised how often this little secret, this tool does actually work. So essentially, with this trade example, we had a nice bullish impulsive move to the upside, followed by this corrective pullback, and we are looking to take our entry obviously at the end of this correction within the market. Okay, price has impulse, we've corrected, and if I use my Fibonacci tool from swing low to swing high, we can see how we've also tested the 61.8% Fibonacci to perfection. Okay, so this is going to be the start of our next move. So the way we do it right is we measure this impulsive move. Okay, so we measure this move within the market like so, and then what we do is we copy and paste that, and then we move it to the start of the impulsive move down here. Okay, and as you can see, we have a nice move to the upside, but as we approach this level here, which lines up with this one here, the same, the same move, the same amount of pips, as we start to approach this level, you can see how price is beginning to slow down, and that's why it's a good idea to take profits at this level. So that's a very good example of how this is a good level to take our profits. We're now going to go to another currency pair just to show you. We're going to go to NZD USD. Okay, guys, we are now on NZD USD, and we can see how we've broken structure here. So let's just use this tool within the market, broken through this level, which was previously used as support, previously used as resistance. We've had this nice bullish impulsive move to the upside, followed by a pullback, followed by that continuation. Now we want to be measuring this move once again, so let's get out our tool. So we use our tool from swing low to swing high. By the way, guys, this tool is the price range tool. We copy that, we paste it to the next low, and you can see how it has lined up perfectly with where price has used a level of resistance within the market here. Okay, so it goes to show that this tool does help actually analyze, where certain levels of resistances are within the market as well. So great entry point, and this would have been a great level for our take profit level as well. So that's two examples. Let's go into another example now. GBP JPY, guys. Okay, so we have a nice bullish impulsive move within the market. Once again, strong bullish impulsive move followed by the pullback, and then we're looking for our buy positions here, and let's see where we would look to target our position. Okay, so we get the same tool out, we measure it from this swing low to our swing high, we copy this, we paste it, we drag it to where price started from down here, and we can see as price once again is approaching this level, we're starting to see a slowdown in momentum followed by a potential reversal, which goes to show that this level here would have been a good level to set our take profit level. Okay, guys, so it works well. It's what I use to set my take profit levels, and it has worked for me over the very long time that I have been trading. But now what we're going to talk about is trade management as well. Just a quick one on the trade management side of things too. So let's see first of all the Fibonacci retracement on this one. If we drag that from swing low to swing high, we can see how this also lines up with the 61.8. So let's just say, as a rule of thumb, we are then setting our stop loss below the 78.6. Let's say we set our buy limit here. We set our stop loss below the 78.6, and we are targeting that level, like I said. Like, measure that, copy that. Real simple stuff, guys. Drag that to there. We set our take profit level to this one, which makes for a nice 1 to 5 risk to reward. How would we now be managing our position, guys? Okay, so we enter our position here, price goes straight into profit. We break the most recent lower high, as you can see there. As price has broken through this level here, this is our confirmation of the shift in market structure. So at that point, my stop loss would be trailed to break even. Let's get up a tool here. We will call this our stop loss. That's our stop loss level. As price breaks this structure, we have moved our stop loss to break even. Then price pulls back, forms a higher low. Our stop loss is still at break even. We then see price here break the next level within the market, which is there. So as price breaks through there, we can now trail our stop loss below the most recent low, which for me would be this point within the market. So we've now trailed our stop loss into profit, protecting our capital, and worst case scenario, if price was to reverse at any given moment, we would still end in a profit. And as you can see, price moves very nicely to the upside, and you can see we do begin to form small pieces of structure within the market here, where we're constantly breaking through the high points. So as price is approaching our take profit level, I will aggressively be trailing my stop loss below these lows as well within the market. Okay, and then the next one, we keep going as price breaks through. We then do reach our take profit level. But let's say if our take profit level was even higher, I would just be trailing my stop loss below these lows as we continue. Okay, guys, you know, sometimes I know a lot of traders as well in the market who sometimes if the trend is going their way, they won't even set a take profit level. They would just trail their stop loss. So if you're someone out there who really struggles to let your trades run and you know you're taking profits too early, do try and just trail your stop loss into profit below structure, and you know really try and maximize on your trades as much as possible. But anyway, guys, that is, you know, a really good example of, you know, how you can set your take profit level and also manage your trade so you're maximizing on your profits as much as possible. But anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. Let's go into the outro. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And once again, if you want to join my VIP trading group, where I go live 3 times per week, sending in my analysis every single day, just click the link in the description below. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video.